Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, you will be learning how to cut a princess dart bustier. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so. Thank you. I'll be making use of this pattern paper already folded into two, and I've already ruled out the lines I'll be needing. This is the chest line. This is my bust point or bust line. This is the under bust line, and this is the waist line. Now the first thing I'll be doing is to mark out my shoulder measurement divided by 2, and I'll also mark it on the chest line and then connect the point together like this. I'll then mark 3 inches for my neck measurement, and I will also go down by 3 inches to just draw a simple neckline. Then I'll mark the shoulder slope at the midpoint of the armhole line. I'll be going in by half an inch like this, and then make use of a French curve to connect the lines together like this. Now I'll be marking out the dart measurement, making use of nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 plus half an inch. That is 4 inches on the chest line and on the bust line. But on the other bust line, I'll be making use of 3.5 inch. The same on the waist line. Now I will connect the point together like this. Now I will measure the round armhole curve and mark the midpoint. Then I will connect the midpoint to the dart point on the chest line using a French curve like this. Now on the under bust line and the waistline, I'll be marking 2 inches like this. And connect the point like this. Now, to avoid a pointy effect on the bust point, I'll be coming down by 1 inches and then connect the point together with the under bust like this. Now for the dart up here, if you have a big size, you can make use of 2 inches, but I'll be making use of 1.5 inches like this. Then I'll connect it to the bust point like this. You can see that the bustier shape is coming out. Now, to avoid one side being shorter than the other during stitching, we have to replace the 1.5 inch that I took earlier like this, and then connect the line together like this. The next thing I'll be doing now is to mark out my measurement. The bust measurement divided by 4. I'll mark it here. Then remember we took 1.5 inches here for that. I'll replace it here and then mark the extra allowance I want to add. Then at the under bust, I'll mark the round under bust divided by 4 and then replace the 2 inches that allowance I took here and add the additional allowance I want to add. On the waistline, the waist measurement divided by 4 and also replace the 2 inches that allowance and mark the extra allowance I want to add. I'll then connect the point together. Now I will connect my new armhole cuff like this. I'm using this to indicate the areas I'll be cutting out. The next thing to do now is to cut it out. After cutting, this is how it looks like. Can you see how beautiful it comes out? And this is how it looks like when you open it up. Now for the back, I'll mark out my shoulder measurement divided by 2. And mark the same thing on the chest line. I'll then connect the points together like this. I'll make use of 3 inches for the neck. This is my chest line and this is the waist line. And this is 1.5 inches for zipper allowance. Now I'll be going down by 2 inches for the neck and I will then draw out a simple neck like this. Now I'll be making use of 1 inch for the shoulder slope like this. At the midpoint of this line, I'll be going in by half an inch. And use a French curve to connect the points like this. Now for the dart, I'll make use of nipple to nipple divided by 2. From the chest line, I'll be coming down by 1 inch and I'll connect the point like this. I'll go in by half inch on both sides and then connect the dart like this. What I'll be doing now is, in order to avoid the zipper being bulging out at the waist point, I'll be going in by half an inch and then connect it straight up like this. Now I'll take the bust measurement divided by 4 and the waist measurement divided by 4. I will add the 1 inch dart allowance plus extra stitching allowance. I'll then connect the lines like this. The next thing to do now is to cut out what we have measured. After cutting, this is how the back looks like, and this is the front and back together. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can see many more. Then don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.